Qatar is my home. You cannot compare, and you cannot live away from it. It's like the air for us. Social media now is the medium where you can really sell your product.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू, आदाब, गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं हूं नाज़िया और आप देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं शो सैटरडे ब्रंच। इस शो में हम आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटीज से। आज जो शख्सियत इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटी हमारे साथ इस शो में मौजूद हैं, उन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस कराने से पहले मुझे कुछ लाइन्स याद आ रही हैं, और ये शायद फिल्म का एक डायलॉग भी है, और वो कुछ इस तरह से है कि अगर किसी चीज़ को तुम दिल से चाहो, शिद्दत से चाहो, तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलवाने की कोशिश करती है। तो यकीन मानिए, इस इंटरव्यू को करने का इंतज़ार मुझे बेसब्री से था। पूरी शिद्दत से मैंने चाहा कि मैं अपनी गेस्ट को इनवाइट करूं, एंड देन लेटर ऑन वो इस इनविटेशन को एक्सेप्ट करें। तो आज मैं कह सकती हूं कि मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया और आज वो हमारे साथ इस स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं। वेल, शी इज़ एन हाईली इंस्पिरेशनल लेडी, और मैं कहूँगी शी इज़ एन हाईली इन्फ्लुएंशियल लेडी। ये भी कहा जा सकता है कि शी इज़ एन आर्टिस्ट बाय हार्ट and a true market professional by profession. Well, इनकी अप्रोच बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज को लेकर, ऑडियंस अंडरस्टैंडिंग को लेकर कमाल की है। She is undoubtedly a creative person. With this kind of approach and dedication, Mrs. Jawaher Al Khuzaei. Welcome on FM 107. How are you doing, ma'am?
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for the great introduction, and it's a pleasure to be here.
Tell us something about your personal life.
All right. I'm the eldest daughter in the family. I have a sister and two brothers. I'm also a mother for three children. I have Muhammad, Tamim, Areem from 8 to 4 years old. That's on a personal matter, and I work for GWC currently as a chief marketing officer, and I've been there for the past 3 years.
So, ma'am, you always wanted to be into business, or this thing has happened accidentally?
Actually, I studied visual art and design from McMaster University in Canada. I came back to Qatar in 2004 and joined the Asian Games Committee. Over there, I was interviewed by the media and marketing department, and when I went there for the interview, this actually changed my life. My boss, Raj Grattan, he was a journalist for 30 years, a reporter for Reuters. He said, Jawaher, and he had a nickname for me, Jules, from day one. That's an Australian thing. You know, join me and you'll learn a lot. And he kept his promise. And that was a turning point in my life and made me love media and marketing and PR. I think the period I worked with him worth more than 15 years, although it was like two years, around 2 years, but I really learned a lot, and I thank him for all the mentorship and all the opportunities he gave me.
So do you get a time to, pursue your passion of visual art?
Not like before. Now I'm more into the digital world, and but I kept my reading, so I think I'm spending more time in reading, painting and drawing. It's mainly art and crafts now with my kids.
Since you're talking about digital transformation, so let's ask this: how has digital transformation in transportation and logistics has helped your company?
That was a major success for the operation and delivering the logistics mandates for the World Cup. We depended on the different system, like a warehousing management system or a transport management system. One of the biggest challenges around the World Cup was traffic. And using that master delivery system made us more efficient in terms of scheduling for the deliveries and finding the right route for each vehicle or each truck to deliver on time.
So what do you think is the biggest strength of your company right now?
People in the heart of the operation, and we have amazing people with different skills, and that's what distinguished GWC really, working from the heart, and all the experience and the continuous training and taking care of the safety. That's a major strength of having all these assets.
I read somewhere about your company, the Group CEO of company. He was talking more about micro, small, medium enterprises. So what are the strategies and the plannings you have taken so far in order to, to really reach out to the micro, small and medium enterprises in Qatar?
Maybe you heard that in the latest news that we had. It was last week, where we launched phase 2 of Al Wakir Logistics Park. It's 1.5 million square meters, and it's totally designed for micro, small and medium businesses to empower them. This is an important sector that we are supporting and empowering. Al Wakir Logistics Park was launched, phase 1 was launched in 2022, and gave all these MSMEs a chance to be in a great location next to the stadiums, some of the stadiums next to the airport, next to the port, and give chances for them to be part of this World Cup.
Ma'am, since you have vast experience, and now let's talk about what are the marketing gaps right now, and how do you think that small and the medium businesses can identify them in the times to come?
Now we're in the age of AI, artificial intelligence, in so many ways. If we talk in marketing, now it's all controlled by algorithm. We're in the age of social media and digital media. And even if you talk about from a logistics point of view, it's all about having the delivery on time, the efficiency in it, and I want to know where is my product. I want to be able to track it, and I want to be able to get a good rate. We are facing or we're living in the age of the digital revolution right now. Whether you're an SME or whether you're a big corporation, you need to be up to this game, and you need to be aware of all these trends.
How do you see the role of social media in channelizing the system and also affecting marketing?
Marketing is social media and digital media right now, and for let's say a B2B or a B2C, this is we moved from the brand awareness and knowing who you are into lead generation. So social media now is the medium where you can really sell your product and make the customer loyal to you by having the right brand positioning. Mm-hmm. It can go both ways. If you don't attract the right segments, there is a spell. If you just make it general, and if you don't target the right people, it can be a waste. But if you are doing the right, attracting the right segment, delivering the right message, then it can be successful for the brands.
What are your hobbies? What do you do whenever you get time?
Whenever I have time, really I spend it with my kids. I think they got something from me in terms of art, so we do a lot of arts and crafts. I love cooking also. And I use the quiet time once they go to sleep to go into readings.
Okay, ma'am, I know that you are a global traveler also. Which country actually fascinates you and why?
I would say Australia, Melbourne. I lived there for 3 years. I'm married to Egyptian Australian, so I would say I was fascinated by the nature. Another country I was fascinated with is Brazil, with the of course, the coffee and the culture over there. These two countries I'm very fascinated with.
And how do you find Qatar?
Qatar is my home. You cannot compare, and you cannot live away from it. It's like the air for us.
What is that one thing you love a lot about this country, Qatar?
How people love the country. It's in the blood, and it's safe. You can leave your mobile anywhere. How many times I forgot my mobile in different places, and you find it. Qatar, God bless us and keep this privilege of safety on us.
Are you a person who loves to watch movies also?
I love movies, yes.
Who's your favorite actor and actress?
I love Shah Rukh Khan.
Really?
Yes.
Great.
But I didn't get the chance to see the latest movie, so it's on my bucket list.
I just wanted to ask this thing. What is that one piece of advice you would like to give to young girls?
I would say follow your passion. In any field, you find challenges, and this shouldn't stop you. And also I want to say, being a mother and having kids will not affect your career if you balance things well. So follow your dream and be resilient, and you will get there.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Well, with this, it's time to say खुदा हाफिज इस वादे के साथ कि एक नए एपिसोड में एक नए मेहमान से कराएंगे मुलाकात. सुनते रहिए FM 107 दिल से देसी.